To create a single page application, we're going to be using S3 Bucket. So in AWS, search for S3, click on Create Bucket. The bucket name will be the name of your website. In my case, I'll be using sjdtutorials.com. I will uncheck Block All Public Access and check this box. Finally, we'll create Bucket. We're going to be changing a couple things here before continuing. In Properties, if we scroll all the way down, we'll see Static Website Hosting. Let's click Edit, Enable. For the index document, we're going to be using index.html and Save Changes. Now, if you scroll all the way down, you'll have a URL. If you click on this, nothing will happen. Nothing will happen because there's no index.html. So let's add one. On my desktop, I'm just going to create a new document and name it exactly the same as we did in the settings. Say yes to change the file extension. Edit in Notepad or your favorite IDE. In my case, I'll be using Notepad++. Put your HTML, and we're going to upload this file to the bucket by going back to the sjdtutorials.com, upload an object by dragging and dropping the file. There isn't anything to do here, just click upload. Now, if we click on the file, we can see the object URL. We could copy that URL, search for it, and you'll see that we still have access denied. We still have access denied because we haven't given rights to read the bucket yet. We can change those settings by going to permissions and modifying the bucket policy. We can edit the policy by going to add new statement and searching for S3, get object, and the resource will be specifically our S3 bucket. We'll use the ARN of our actual S3 bucket. We could even change the SID, which is the name of the policy, to something like public read. And for the principal, we're actually going to use a wildcard asterisks. To validate that this policy actually works, we click on Save Changes. After modifying this policy, we'll be able to read the file. Congratulations, you've just launched your first AWS single page application. If you would like to see a more detailed version of this tutorial, you can see the link in the description. There I've got some sample codes, some step-by-step, and some screenshots. You'll be able to really follow along at a more in-depth version. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.